Hello students! Today I want to show you two things. I'm riding my bike and I came across a garbage bin where, there's always people throwing out garbage during garbage day. But this had a really nice looking piece of wood in it. And this wood can easily be used for a sign. A protest sign, a sign around your house, whatever. The point is, if you see things in the garbage, always give them a second look. Because this thing was going to end up in a landfill. And I'm going to come by later with my car and pick it up. And I'm going to put it on my porch. I'm going to paint it all different colors with some messages on it about veganism. And I'll show you, here's where it was. It was just in here sticking out. And see, it's going to go in the garbage. The garbage truck's coming soon. There's also some other pieces in there, but I don't need those right now. So I just put it here on the side so that it wouldn't get picked up by the time I come by with my car. So you see, it's actually quite big. It's about 6 feet by 3 feet, and it has a few little holes in it, but it's a great canvas. So why would I want to let that go into a landfill somewhere when I can just reuse it, right? So that's one little thing you can check when you're riding your bike around. Another thing I wanted to show you was this shirt that I painted yesterday, because I had some paint here. And I just painted the word vegan. You can see it there. Let me try and get a little bit more in the shade somewhere here where you can see it a little bit better. Maybe. See, I just took a bottle of squeezy paint and I just painted the word vegan there on my shirt. Because, it makes a great conversation piece. If you meet somebody new in the store or whatever, and sometimes somebody who's vegan will come to you and go, hey, I'm vegan too. And then, you have something in common. Or they might say, oh, I was thinking about becoming vegan, like, how's it going for you? And that kind of thing. So that's what I wanted to tell you today. So make sure you get some exercise, ride your bike, get out in the fresh air, be a tree lover. It's totally fine. Give a tree a hug if you want to. Enjoy the sky. Notice how the treetops touch the sky, and just appreciate the simple beauty. I know that Vistopia is hard for some of you. It's hard for me too. The agony, the anguish of living vegan in a non-vegan world. But, just as long as you keep moving and keep doing things to improve the world, that's all that you can do. Try as much as you can to stay healthy yourself, and try to promote the vegan message whenever you can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.